Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Snapchat not working on your iPhone. If Snapchat is not working on your iPhone, you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Our step number 1 is update Snapchat. Ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your iPhone. You have to go to your App Store and then search here Snapchat. Snapchat. Tap on it. Then tap on Snapchat and if you see any available update for the Snapchat, simply consider updating it. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to your settings, tap on the general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating, then you have to do is check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone has a stable internet connection. Open the other apps or website to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. After checking your internet connection, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your device can resolve temporary issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is the enable background app refresh. You have to go to your settings, go to general, tap on background app refresh. Again tap on it and you have to make sure that the background app refresh is enabled on your iPhone. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do delete and install Snapchat app. Delete the Snapchat app from your iPhone and then install it from the App Store. This can help resolve any corrupted files or issues with the app installation. To do this, you have to simply go to your Snapchat app and then tap and hold on it. Then tap on remove app, tap on delete app and delete the Snapchat and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Snapchat app not working on the iPhone. If this video helps, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching.